It was the perfect day to sail. We had about 120 nautical miles to go, 10 to 15 knots beam wind. Everything was perfect. Well, almost. Well, it seems like I'm gonna be having autopilot problems again. I'm hearing a nasty noise. It seems like the belt and the gear are disconnecting. They're not hooking up, and it's making a strange noise like grrrr, grrrr, and I think it's slipping. Belt and the gear is slipping. I'm not sure, but I've been helming in a helm as much as I can, and try to save the autopilot for when I really need it, when I need to get some shut-eye and get some food or something. The wind's supposed to die down overnight, so I may just turn on the motor because it's easier on the autopilot and keep on a good speed, because I'm doing like about 6 knots. What's tough on the autopilot too is that the wind is at a broad reach and the waves are like, you know, pulling on it. So, well, it's all right. I don't mind helming, and we'll get to the bottom of this. There's something up with the way I'm putting this thing back together. This gear and this belt. Luckily, I got a belt that I brought back from Senegal. Now I got some extra parts. We'll see. I decided to hand steer until nightfall, save the autopilot for the evening. Cross my fingers. Please hold on for me, autopilot, for the rest of the trip. Oh man. Pleading did not help. In the middle of the ocean, and just took apart my autopilot. It's not the belt, it's not the pinion. This is all fucked up. It's this other part which I have spares of. So I think I can fix this and get going again. This is the problem. This is all worn out. And guess what? I have an extra one of these, if not 2. Let's just put this baby back in there. That's where it's happening, in there, man. I gotta get in there. All I have to do is connect 2 wires and get going. And off we go. We did it, man. Fixed the autopilot. I'm gonna look at it a little more carefully once I'm back in Mindelo, but we're on the road. I turned on the engine because the wind's down below 10 knots and I wanna make up some time floating there and fixing that autopilot, but it's fixed. Hey baby, I did it. Never give up, never give up, never. Sorry Galapam, I should have replaced that part. Now I got a new one in there, but we'll take a look at it better when we get back to Mindelo. Beautiful day. It was a smooth night with the autopilot functioning. We motor sailed and continued on this glorious morning. I was anxious to get back to see my loved ones there in Mindelo. Even on a calm day like this, the canal gives you a good ride. It used to scare me. Now we ride the waves like moguls. It felt good to come back today. Just docked at the Marina Mindelo. I'm going to stay here a couple days to wash off the boat. Let's turn off all the instruments. Autopilot function great. Now I just need to take a shower, go to the police, and that's it. I would show you the maneuvers of getting in and out of this Marina. I know what I'm doing now. I've been doing it enough times, but I can't film and more at the same time. I'm gonna have somebody film for me to be able to show you how you do it. But it's pretty easy. That's what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like out there, okay? I'm giving Galopin a much needed rinse. Poor guy was just so dirty. Let me just show you, just left a little bit just to show you how bad it was. Look at this. It's all dirty. Look at that. Just dirty everywhere. And after. I haven't scrubbed it yet, but. And all the lines, soaking them, rinsing them out, all over the boat. And inside too, it's dusty everywhere. Let's get the outside first. We only stayed 2 days at the Marina, then we were back on our mooring, preparing for what would come next. It's Carnival Time! Can you hear it out there? Who would have known it? I'm going out there. Wendy's waiting for me with her sister Rowena. Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.